Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Julia and this is simple explanation of not simple things at all, and of course we're talking about crypto. And in today's video we're going to talk about what happened to Bitcoin, why it's dipping down below $59,000. We're going to look at all the details, what can impact on Bitcoin price, and understand what happened to Bitcoin and why price going down. So Bitcoin has dipped the levels not previously seen for the last weeks, and we are still consolidating near to all-time high. So don't panic, everything is fine. I'll just try to explain you what happened and what impacted on Bitcoin price. So let's look at the chart of Bitcoin and see what happened in there. Also guys, don't forget about my free Bybit bonus, which is $4,100, and it takes only 20 seconds to sign up and trade. And as I said before, it's better to trade with money which given you as reward, so you are technically not losing anything. So find this link below my video, go ahead, sign up and get your 4,000 bonus and trade with this money. And Bitcoin price is $60,000, and just few minutes ago it was about 59. So let's look at the chart and what's going on here. You can see this huge red candle which dumped below $59,000, and just remember that it's fine, corrections are fine. And guys, let's not forget about the months. Few months ago when we stocked just above $30,000. What happens here today? Bitcoin finally reacted to the accumulated bearish wedge and direct signals on the daily charts. The price at the moment sitting below $59,000, and in the futures market positions in the amount of $750 million were liquidated over the past 24 hours. So that's what happened to Bitcoin. As you can see, it's 59,700 now. It like literally 1 minute ago you saw the price 60,000, so it's fine guys. And market cap is $1,128 billion for Bitcoin today, and circulating supply is 18 million. Let's look at the crypto bubbles. Here you can see that all market is red, but remember guys that red is opportunity for you to buy, so it's actually fine. Remember that all these red bubbles you should buy now on sale. Here on Coin 360 you also can see that market is red, and for me I always happy when market is red, because some altcoins I couldn't buy before because they were on all-time high or just high, and now it's really good opportunity for me to buy all altcoins I wanted to buy. So today I will analyze the crypto market, see what I can purchase. Let's look at the articles and maybe we will find the answer here. Bitcoin briefly drops below 60,000 as major cryptocurrency fall. As you can see, the impetus behind the price movement was not clear. China's state planner, the National Development and Reform Commission, said during a press conference Tuesday that it will continue to clean up virtual currency mining in the country. So according to this article, negative crypto-related comments from Chinese authorities have often led to a sell-off in digital coins, even if those comments are not overly new. So as you know, the biggest upgrade in 4 years for Bitcoin just happened. It's Taproot upgrade. So here we can see what does Bitcoin's Taproot upgrade means for investors. And up to Taproot's activation has spurred in part a rally in Bitcoin, pushing into an all-time high of 69,000 on November 10. Over the last 2 months, Bitcoin has surged about 47%. What is Taproot? The Taproot's upgrade consists of 3 separate upgrade proposals. It will help Bitcoin transactions become more efficient and more private. Also can let Bitcoin users execute more complex smart contracts. Taproot was officially activated on Sunday. Discussion on this particular upgrade began as early as 2016. The Taproot upgrade has been included in Bitcoin software since September. The main question, what is its impact on Bitcoin? The biggest impact will be the Bitcoin's network ability to process more smart contracts similar to that Ethereum does. But while Bitcoin likely won't ever be as flexible as Ethereum from a smart contract standpoint, we his Taproot, that gap will now narrow. That means we'll likely see an increase in a day-to-day applications for Bitcoin. This news might also impact on Bitcoin, which is SVO of Twitter stance on Bitcoin investment has broken the internet. He commented in an interview yesterday stating investment of Twitter corporate cash into crypto assets, included Dorsey's favorite Bitcoin, doesn't make sense right now. Also, Bitcoin institution activity is 8x from 2017. Traders show interest to buy the dips. There's been a growing interest from the traders for buying the dips. Typically, a bit of crowd fear will be necessary to have prices fully rebound. Guys, it was my quick update on Bitcoin price. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like my videos. Really appreciate your feedback, and I'll see you in my next video.